In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use custom clothes in TypeSol. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can access the options to use clothing outside of TypeSol, meaning that anything that you have equipped on your Roblox avatar will be wearable in TypeSol as well. So all that you have to do to find the option to get custom clothing is to press N. So when you press N, you will be able to manage all of your items, and then you have to look under the dev products. One of the items here is going to be the custom clothing token. This is the way in which you will be able to access any items equipped on your Roblox avatar and see them inside of TypeSol. So when you choose the custom clothing token, you will see the description like this. It gives you a custom clothing token, which allows you to use your own clothes. It costs 700 Robux, so sadly it is quite expensive. There might be other ways to get this without spending Robux, but according to my research, I couldn't find anything. You might be able to do it by talking to the Prodigy NPC. So this NPC allows you to customize things like your hair by spending in-game currency, and by getting to this NPC, you can give him the money and put the asset ID of the item that you want to wear. However, I cannot guarantee that he is also going to give you the option to wear clothing, and because you will have to change the ID manually every single time, it isn't a permanent solution, but it is an option if you don't want to spend Robux. If you use the custom clothing token, however, this is going to be permanent and you will always see what you have equipped unless you have an outfit from the game itself. So consider using 700 Robux, which makes this process very convenient. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom clothes in TypeSol. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.